Tashitin. Okay, Tashitin. And how about I think she's sick? Right, Shilam Gawil Shitin. Okay, so instead of Ta, you use Gawil to say you think that something. Okay? Or how about it happens that she is sick?
Harleen
She Gawil Shitin. How about it happens that I am sick? Okay, Harleen She Gawil May Chin. So it happens that I'm sick. Okay? All right. So, Nur Harleen Shaditya, when it happens to you. Okay? Nur Harleen Shaditya. Jainan to Iracht means you try. What it means is you make an attempt. Jainan to Iracht. Jain is to make. Jainan to is you make. And Iracht is the word in Irish for an attempt. Okay? So if you do something and it doesn't happen, you can say, I tried. Rinya me Iracht. Rinya me Iracht. Rinya me Iracht is I tried. I made an attempt. Okay? And he tries every day. Jainin she Iracht gachla. So he makes an attempt at gachla every day. Okay?
So Jainin me Iracht.
Yeah, Jainan me Iracht gachla. I try every day. Okay? So, Jainan to Iracht, you make an attempt or you try. Now, the expression run means to keep it a secret. Okay? The word kini, which looks kind of like kino, is to keep or to hold something. Okay? And you keep it basically under secret. Run. And that means to keep it a secret. Okay? So if you just want to say, keep it a secret, kini free. Actually, that should be kini free rune. Okay. Kini free rune without a H.
H shouldn't be there?
Yeah. Kini free rune is keep it a secret.
Is it Kini?
Kini. Kini. Yeah. Kini. Yeah.
So it's
Kini.
kind of quick.
Yeah.
Mix.
Yeah. Kini. Kini. Yeah. Kini free rune.
Keep it a secret?
Yeah. So literally it's keep under secret it. Keep it a secret. Okay? And so here it says, Jainan to Iracht, achinal run is you make an attempt, it to keep a secret. Achinal, it to keep run under secret or a secret. Okay? And then the reason is marbian naira ort, because you are embarrassed. Okay? Obviously we're talking about mice a bit here. The expression naira is embarrassment, and it's one of those things in Irish that can be on you. So when you're embarrassed, you have embarrassment on you. So I was ashamed. Vi naira oram. Vi naira oram. Okay?
Being means it's a
Yeah.
being, it's a state
So-
of being.
So what does that mean? Nakbul naira ort.
Aren't you embarrassed?
Aren't you embarrassed? Aren't you ashamed? Nakbul naira ort. Okay? Okay? So nakbul isn't there. Naira, shame, ort on you. Okay? So be naira oram, I was embarrassed, I was ashamed. Being naira ort means when something like this happens, there is shame on you. Being is kind of like ta, except ta is just talking about what's happening right now. So if you say ta naira oram, that means I'm embarrassed. If you say being naira oram, that means I'm always embarrassed. Okay? So the difference between ta and being, ta means something that's right now, being is how you generally are. Okay? And so what she's saying here is, whenever this happens to you, you get embarrassed. Being naira ort. Okay? So Nuara Harleen Shaditya is when it happens to you. Jainan to Iracht, you make an attempt. Achinyal Fuirun, it to keep secret. Mar being naira ort, because you are embarrassed. Okay? So let's read through that. Nuara Harleen Shaditya. Jainan to Iracht. Achinyal Fuirun. Mar being naira ort. Okay? Questions on that? Okay. Yeah, so there's going to be a lot of these idioms here like kinyal run, which is to keep something secret, or naira avehor, to have embarrassment on you, or irachliana, to do an attempt. Okay? So number 2. Anshin, durera chela, tigantu nachtasa and tain dina awain atasa chas kena. So, anshin means then. The expression durera chela means little by little or by and by. Okay, durera chela, and you pretty much just have to kind of durera chela means something like according to each other or something, which means little by little. So just you want to know that expression, durera chela. Tigantu is you understand. Tigantu. Okay, tigantu. Nachtasa, that you aren't. Antain dina awain, the only person. The one person alone, the one single person, antain dina awain. Ata, who is, sachas kena, in the same situation, or the same case. Okay? Kana is same. Yeah, kas means case or situation. Okay? Dererach, like we said, means little by little, gradually, by and by. Okay? The word tig is a good one to know. It's a useful expression. The way you ask someone, do you understand? And diggin to. Maybe that's where English gets you dig. And diggin to. Do you understand? And diggin to. And the way you say no, ni higam. Ni higam, I don't understand. Okay? And you'll hear an Irish people speaking a lot of times, though, depending on where they're from, some of them have this tendency to use and diggin to after every other sentence. So I'm digging to, man, you understand me? They'll be saying, da-da-da, digging to, da-da-da, digging to. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Another useful word is this word kana. Kana means same. Same. So the same person and dina kana. Okay? And you'll see a longer version of it sometimes, and dina canon kana. And that both mean the same person. Okay, I'm not sure if it means anything by itself. Pretty much only see it in this. Canon, kana, the same person. Okay? And you'll see that word a lot. Okay, so, and shin. Durer achela. Tigantu. Nachtasa and tain dina awain. Atas achas kana. Okay? All right. So next one, number 3. Nirev lochas achachugin riev goji gawur marmadra. Okay? So, first of all, the expression to have mice, like we have mice, ta locha agin. How do you say I have mice? Ta locha agam. Okay? How about Margit has mice? Talocha eg Margit. Okay. How would you ask Margit? Do you have mice?
Will Margit will look at it.
And will locha aget. Okay. And will locha aget. And what would Margit say? Ta. Okay. Yep. I think Margit has a zoo around. Okay. So and will locha aget. Do you have mice? Okay. The way you say there are mice in the house, you say talocha sachach. Okay? And then you say, the way you put those together and say, we have mice in the house, talocha sachach again. So there are mice in the house at us, is the way you say it. You kind of put, when you want to say you have something in Irish, it's always ta, whatever you have, and egg, whoever has it. So ta agin means we have, ta agam, I have. And you tend to put the whole thing in the middle there. So if you have mice in the house, there is mice in the house at me. Or at us in this case. Talocha sachach agin. Okay? So I might ask Avichil, and will locha sachach give? So do you have mice in the house? Neil. Okay? I guess Avichil, and will kat give?
Ta.
Well, madra agav.
Ta.
Okay, so ta madra agus cat ig Michal ach Neil locha ige. So Michael has a dog and a cat,
So
ach
that's why he
Neil
doesn't have
locha,
mice.
but he doesn't have mice. Okay. All right. Now, dog is madra. The way you say we got a dog is fur muj madra. Fur means got, muj is we, madra is a dog.